So guys, in today's video we are solving our 436th question by the name of find the right interval, and this is a medium one question in today's video which we are solving. And I have told you one more thing else, this 435 and 436 we skip this question. So in that previous video I have already uploaded a 435 question. So in today's video we are covering our 436 question. So yeah, so please like this video, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to all the notification bell also, so you never miss our these type of videos on this channel. So let's move to computer screen and let's do our coding with laughing. So guys, let's solve it. So let's first of all let's drag and drop this question into our Word file, so we'll be understand the question carefully. So let me copy the question and let me drag and drop it into our Word file. This is my Word file. I am opening my Word file. When my Word file has been opened, I paste this all the things. Then I am giving them to the font options. So let me tell you this question. What this question is explaining us. So the question is about you are given an array of intervals where intervals square bracket I equals to square bracket start comma end, and each start is unique. Please highlight it a unique word, unique, okay, and each start is a unique. The right interval, so please highlight it a right interval. The right interval for an interval I is an interval j such that start I greater than equals to end I and start I is minimized, highlighted a minimize. Note that I may equal j. So our task is we return an array of a right interval of a right interval indices for each interval. If no right interval exists for interval I, then put -1 at index I. So there is one example one in which he write intervals. Here he create a one list in which by the name of intervals, in which he write, sorry, not a list, here he create a one array of intervals. Here he create a one array by the name of intervals in which he write 1 comma 2, and the output will be coming in the square bracket 1 minus 1. Why? Because there is only one interval in the collection, so its output will become -1. That's why. So in our case, whenever output will become -1, okay. So let's see our case 2. So in the case 2, here he create our intervals array in which he write 3 comma 4, then 2 comma 3 and 1 comma 2, and the output will be coming -1, 0 and 1. And okay, so in our case 2, our output will become -1, 0 and 1 in the square bracket. And explanation, if I give you the explanation, there is no right interval for 3 comma 4. The right interval for 3 comma 2 is 3 comma 4. Since star equal to 3 is the smallest star, that is it's greater than equals to end I equals to 3, and the right interval for 1 2 is 2 3. Since start I 2 is equals to 2 is the smallest start, that is greater than equals to end 2 equals to 2. Okay, so that's why in our case 2 our output will become -1, 0 and 1. So let's see our example 3. So here we get rid of an array by the name of intervals in which we write 1 comma 4, then 3 comma 3, then 3 comma 4, and the output will be coming -1, 2 and -1. So in our case 3, our output will become -1, 2 and -1. And if I give you the example of it, there is no right interval for 1 comma 4 and 3 comma 4. The right interval for 2 comma 3 and 3 comma 4 signs start I and equals to 3 is the smallest start, that is greater than equals to end I equals to 3. So in our case 3, our output will become -1, 2, -1. Okay. So these are the constraints which we have used in today's video to solve this. And the start point of each interval is unique. You must know that. Please highlight it, this unique word. So now let's try to solve it. To solve it, first of all, let me bake it, and now let's start. First of all, I am writing here idx equals to -1, low comma high equals to 0. Then we are finding here length of our intervals, then -1. Enter. Now we are using a while loop in which I write low less than equals to high, then semicolon. Now mid equals to low plus high slash low. exponentiation sign and then 2. Then we write here if interval square bracket mid and then square bracket 0. Here I am writing greater than equal to target square then semicolon. Then idx equals to mid, enter, high equals to mid minus 1, and please give the space here. Okay, so now enter backspace, else then semicolon. Now when you do this, so you write low equals to mid plus 1. Okay, so here mid means here I create a one mid variable in which I write low plus high minus low, then exponentiation sign and 2. If you see in the 12th line, here I create a one mid variable. So I am here I write my mid variable and I write plus 1. Okay, so I am adding these two things together. Okay, so let's back enter press it here, then backspace. So backspace one more time, so we will print our output idx. Enter. Now enter backspace def and then find right intervals self comma intervals, enter. Now indexed, let's remove these things. Okay, right here index and then right here sorted intervals, then equals to sorted one more time and then square bracket interval, then square bracket 0, then comma I. For I we use the for loop, so we are doing this writing this all the code in the one line, enumerate then interval. Now here we press backspace here, do not define s. Okay, right intervals, curve. Now we use for loop interval in intervals semicolon, enter. idx equals to self dot find then min then start index then sorted intervals comma interval 1. Perfect. Now if idx we write here minus 1, enter, right. Okay, define semicolon, so define here intervals. Now we use the append method, so you all know why we use the append method, to join two things together. Okay, now sorted intervals idx then 1, enter. Now when I do this, so backspace else right here right intervals dot append and then minus 1, enter, backspace, right here return right interval. Okay, so enter press and then enter, backspace. Define here one class by the name of solution, enter. Define a def find and write r will be in capital interval self comma interval, then list and then int and then list int and then semicolon, enter, return binary search and then square bracket rounded bracket dot find interval, and then when you define here find right intervals, when you define it find right intervals, define this and then intervals. Perfect. So we write it about all the code successfully. Yes. Okay, so I think so it is perfect. So let's run this code. So I think so it not give me any error. So when I run it, so here you can see it is accepted. So our case 1, case 2, case 3 are accepted, and let's see the submission. So when we submit this code, the submission is also be correct. Here you can see it. So in today's video, we solved a 436 question by the name of find the right interval. So I hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy, so please like this video, share, friends, and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to all notification bell also, so you never miss these type of videos on the channel. So let me meet you in the next class, and next very amazing class like that type of videos. So for today, goodbye.